Alright, so let's add React Router to our application. If we go to our sketch file, then this is our main dashboard view, and we want to display that at the root. But then we have a more detailed view about each stock. And we want to make it so that when we click on a stock in this list, we'll switch to this view over here. And in order to do that, we need to implement client-side routing in our single page application. And we're going to be using React Router for that. So let's go ahead and go to our application. And we'll stop the development server and we'll say yarn add React Router DOM. And once that's installed, go ahead and start the development server again. And let that just take a second to get started. And meanwhile, we'll go back to our editor. Now let's go to app.js and we'll import browser router as router and route from React Router DOM. And then we'll go ahead and wrap this in router. And we'll say route path equals slash, and we'll say render and we'll put the dashboard inside of this render property. Alright, so let's go ahead and add another route. And we'll say exact path on this one. And we'll add a route with the path of stock and stock ID or ticker. And we'll give it a component see if that works. Alright, so we need to make this a real component. So const test comp, and then we'll put that in here. And now it works. So what we want to do now is we want to get started on building out the next sort of page in our application. So that's going to be this stock detail page that contains more information about each individual stock. And that's what we're going to be focusing on in the next lesson.